Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I just did a ring pour using these colors and I've got quite a bit of them left over. So I'm going to take this little 6x6, do a dirty cup, flip it over, and then I'm going to use the Lifespan treadmill silicone to flick some on there and see if I get any cells that way. This is all mixed with Floetrol, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol with a little bit of water. It's pretty thick. It's not your typical thin paint. The colors are Cad Yellow Light Hue, Apple Barrel Pink Eraser, Apple Barrel Tropic Orange, love that orange, Apple Barrel Caribbean, and Apple Barrel Purple Iris, and I have white. Don't even know if I'm gonna, yeah, I might put a little bit of white right in the bottom. Like I said, it's supposed to be a dirty pour, but these are kind of thick, so. We'll see what happens when all these colors mix. Probably get mud. It's always a distinct possibility, especially with yellow and purple together. Need to wash out these little cups. Since I'm out of other smaller cups, I'm not going to put all this orange in there, but I'm going to mix it around some. Because I have more of it, so. This is one of those that's just for fun. To see what happens. Love seeing what happens. And of course, once again, I've knocked all the cups over. Remove all these. Hope that white doesn't come down and just glaze over the top of the color. So it's always a possibility if you put it in first. So, the inside of that cup. Whole bunch of bubbles. Oh no, I'm gonna end up all orange. Well, I got some cells right in the middle. Okay. Let me check my edges real quick. See what I need to do about my corners. Get something on them. that yellow corner is going to be a problem. Let's go orange up next to it. There's so much in there anyway. Okay. Not beautiful. If I do flick that oil on there, I'm not going to do very much at all. And that glove is so dirty. I'm going to get a clean one. Oops, that was too much. Let's see if anything happens right here. We're going to go slow with this. Because it doesn't need a whole lot. It's got enough in the middle, looks pretty down there, looks pretty over here where it blends. It's just right in here. It's kind of blah looking, but this has spread out in the one that I did recently and just took over almost like the entire whole painting. So I do have some little cells that popped up right there, but they don't have a lot of other colors in them. Apparently there was some blue under that purple, some purple under that orange. I've got like a ring and a ring and a ring right here. So, kind of fun. Definitely a way to get cells as long as you don't use too much of it. Because if you use too much, it's just going to spread out because it keeps spreading. It keeps on spreading and spreading and spreading and spreading. So you want to put very little on there. Because it'll look totally different when it's dry than it does right here at this point. Found that out the hard way this past weekend. So, I'm going to take the camera down, give you all a close-up. I may wait like 20 minutes and then come back and give you another close-up so that you all can see what has happened with that silicone. Because the wonderful thing about the silicone is that the cells are so round. They have beautiful shape to them. The only problem is it keeps spreading. So, let me take the camera down and give you all a close-up. Thanks for watching. Okay, so this is how it looks. And I wanted to show you all these little cells down here. See the ring inside the ring? And this one right in here is yellow with blue, purple, orange, and purple in it. It's amazing. And then that one's the purple, the yellow, the orange. So, depending on how the light hits. I love doing that. I just hope that these don't keep growing bigger and bigger and bigger. See, there was some, I think, from the silicone when I flicked it right over in there, too. I just did not want a whole lot on there. I just wanted to see what it would do. And this paint is fairly thick, and I wondered if that would help keep it from growing, getting bigger. I just didn't want to thin it down really thin, because then I knew it was going to spread. So I thought maybe if it was a little thicker than what you would normally use, it would keep it from expanding so much. So we will see. Thanks for watching. I'll do a follow-up, in about 20 minutes. Well, I forgot to time it, but I went outside and washed all my cups out, scrubbed them out in a bucket of water. So got everything cleaned up, put away, paints put away, and all that kind of stuff. So it's probably been at least 20 minutes. So here's how it is. It hasn't grown that much. I think it being a thicker paint did definitely help. So hopefully it won't change much and it'll go ahead and dry. I brought it upstairs. so that it will dry faster because it's a little warmer up here than it is down there in the basement. So I love the colors. I love this little area right here where you've got the pink, orange, and yellow and some white all together. And then I don't know if that's from flicking those little cells. It could be. I tried to only stay down here in this area of the painting right in there. And then just a little bit right up in that area, but it could be that it splattered all the way across when I did that. So that's how it looks. We'll see how it looks when it's dry. Thanks for watching.